Wasimame kwa heshima tafadhali.
Andũ matanyihire 20 ni merika gute mioyo yao kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga thutha wa kuhuthira njohi thumu ona thengia ya thirikari gukorwo yakiririe birigiceni ya kuhurana na njohi ino makiria gicigo-ini gia gatagati ga bururi. Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua niwe ukoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere agitongoria mbara ino iria akinyiriirie no nginya thirikari itorie.
But this war must be fought. The government is in charge and the government has never lost a war and is not going to lose this one. A decision has been made and it must work and we must bring sanity.
Hindi ya kuruguria mitaratara mieru ya kung'ethanira na athondeki a njohi ngananie na ndawa cia kurebia, Gachagua ni atugiritie maabitha aria marerutira kumenina, akihe maabitha aria maragonderera na kunyitanira na athondeki mukana MAHIU.
Contraband goods are coming to this country to kill our people when you are there. You are in uniform, you have the law on your side, and you simply don't do what you need to do. I'm telling you on behalf of the President and the government of the Republic of Kenya, it will not be business as usual, and when those goods come to this country, you shall be held responsible.
Imwe ciicigo iria munini wa President agwetete ikoretwo ikihuthika kuingiria njohi thumu na ndawa cia kurebia ari mihaka-ini ya Kajiado, Migori, Marsabit, Bungoma na Busia, maabitha nene icigo-ini ici makimurikwo.
There are certain areas the officers responsible must pull up their socks. The team from Kajiado, the border points of Namanga and Loitoktok are an entry point of illegal ethanol and other contraband goods, and neither the officers there have slept on duty or they are part of the problem.
Nona gukiri uguo amwe a maabitha icigo-ini itiganite maugite umwe wa maundu maria marahotomia mbara ino ni wagi wa unyitaniri kuma kuri mwena wa thitango hamwe na ruhonge rwa magoti. Kamishna wa gicigo kia Rift Valley akiuga ni undu maita maingi ucungagiriria ekwirwo aria manyitikana kurekererio.
Find our officers have been able to arrest the traders. Instead of having confiscated about even 10,000 tons of ethanol, but at the end of the day it will be tested, it becomes water.
Like for example, 1 roll of bang is no longer an offense. Anything less than 5 liters of changa will not be able to go to court. And some of the substances that eventually end up preparing some of this is not considered to be illegal.
Hamwe na uguo maabitha aya no mendekithitie kuongererwo kwa ugitiri makiria niguo kuhuthiria macifu na maabitha a matura riria maratabania birigiceni ici.
Chiefs were to be given 5 APs for security. That will enable them be able to move about and even be able to read the dates.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.